Hello everyone. At the moment, I am going to talk about past papers additional math. That is paper 22 May June 2020. This is question number 6. Find the equation of the tangents to the curve to y equals tan to x plus 7 at the point where x equals pi over 8. Give your answer in the form ax minus y equals pi over b plus c, where a, b, and c are integers. Now the equation of the curve, we divide both sides by 2. We obtain y equals half tan to x plus 3 and half. When x pi over 8, we substitute x by pi over 8 in this equation. We obtain that is half tan pi over 4 plus 3 and half times tan pi over 4, that is 1 times half plus 3 and half is 4, thus y is 4, thus the point, tangent point, that is pi per 8, 4. Now the slope of the tangent line at this point, that is the first derivative of y with respect to x, and then x is substituted by pi over 8, thus differentiation of y with respect to x, that is dy dx equals half times secant square to x times differentiation of 2x is 2, thus that is equals secant square to x, differentiation of 3 and half is 0. Now the gradient of the tangents, we substitute x by pi over 8 in this, the first derivative, thus that is the secant squared 2 times pi per 8, that is secant squared pi over 4, that is equals 1 over cos squared pi over 4, thus 1 per square root of 2 per 2 squared, thus that is 1 per half, thus that is 2. Thus the gradient of the tangent, that is 2. Thus the equation of the tangent line, in this point with slope 2, gradient 2, that is y minus 4 equals slope of the tangent line is 2 times x minus pi over 8. Thus y minus 4 equals 2 times x minus 2 times pi over 8, that is pi over 4, or that is 2x minus y equals, this is shift to the left, pi over 4 minus 4, or equals 2x minus y equals pi over 4 minus 4. This is the answer for the question A. B. The tangent intersect the x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. Find the length of line PQ. Thus P, that is x-intercept, means y is 0. Thus substitute y equals 0 in the equation of the tangent line. We obtain 2x equals pi over 4 minus 4. X equals pi over 8 minus 2. Thus the coordinate of point P, that is pi over 8 minus 2, 0. And Q, that is the y-intercept, means x is 0. Thus substitute x is 0 in the equation of the tangent line. We obtain minus y equals pi over 4 minus 4, or y is both sides divided by minus 1, thus y is equals 4 minus pi over 4. Thus the coordinate of point Q, that is 0, 4 minus pi over 4. Thus this is the sketch or graph of to visualize the problem. Thus here is the point P and here is Q. Thus the length of point PQ, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Thus the length of PQ squared equals PO squared plus OQ squared, or PQ is square root of the length of this one, that is 4 minus pi over 4, and then the length of this one, that is pi over 8 minus 2. Thus the length of line PQ is square root of 4 minus pi over 4 squared plus pi over 8 minus 2 squared, that is 3.59. Question number 7. Giving your answer in its simplest form, find the exact value of integration from 0 to 4, 10 divided by 5x plus 2 dx. To find the answer of this question, we use integration by substitution method. Thus here we let u equals 5x plus 2, and then du dx, that is 5, or du equals 5 dx, and from here we can calculate dx. Dx is 1 over 5 du. No? Substitute 5x plus 2 by u, thus integration of 10 divided by u, and dx substitute by 1 over 5 du, 1 over 5 du. And the boundaries of integration, when x 0, u is 5 times 0 plus 2, that is 2. And when x is 4, u is 5 times 4 plus 2, that is 22. Thus, the integration becomes 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Integration from 2 to 22, 1 over u du. Integration of 1 over u du, that is ln nu. Thus, twice, 2 times integration ln nu from 2 to 22. Thus, 2 ln upper bounds minus ln lower bounds. Thus, ln 22 minus ln 2 equals to ln 22 per 2. Thus, equals to ln 11. Thus, this is the answer for the question A. Thus, exact value of this integration, that is 2 ln 11. Question B. Find the exact value of integration from 0 to ln 2 of e power 4x plus 2 squared dx. Thus, this is the integration of exponential function. Thus, that is equals integration from 0 to ln 2, thus e power 4x plus 2 squared, thus that is equals e power 4x times 2, 8x, plus 2 times 2, 4, thus e power 8x plus 4 dx. Now again here we use integration by substitution. Thus we let u equals the indices here, that is 8x plus 4. Thus du dx, that is 8, or du equals 8 dx, and from here we can obtain dx equals 1 over 8 du. And now substitute 8x plus 4 by u and dx by 1 over 8 du. Thus we obtain this one, that is e power u, and the x, that is 1 over 8 du. Now the boundaries of integration, when x 0, u is 8 times 0 plus 4, that is 4, and when x is ln 2, u is 4 times ln 2 plus 4, that is here 8 ln 2 plus 4. Thus that is 1 over 8 constante, 1 over 8. Thus integration of e power u du, that is stay the same, e power u from 4 until 8 ln 2 plus 4, and then substitute e power upper bounds minus e power lower bounds. Thus e power, thus 1 over 8 times e power 8 ln 2 plus 4 minus e power 4. Now here is, that is e power 8 ln 2 plus e power 4. Thus we have common factor here, e power 4. Thus we put e power 4 out the brackets. Thus e power 4 per 8 times e ln 8 ln 2, that is equals ln 2 power 8, and then minus 1, since e power 4 already outside the brackets here. Then e power 4 per 8 and e power ln 2 power 8, that is equals 2 power 8 minus 1, that is equals to 155 over 8 times e power 4. Thus this is the answer for question B. No, that is all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.